want to share this moment with all of you, my friends and families. Let's take a deep breath together, wherever you are. Take a break and take a deep, deep breath in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, one. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. And now think about what are those new things you want in your life. What are you dreaming about? What are those beautiful things that you want to happen in your life? What is the coolest thing can happen today in your life? And what do you want for in 5 years from now, and in 10, and in your dream life? How it looks, how your dream life looks like. Take a moment to think about it. What are those things that you really looking for and you're struggling right now to make it happen? Or you're not feeling like you're not, like for some reason you start pushing forward, moving your needle toward your goals, and for some reason you stop because you are not longer like feeling enough or believing in you. You stop believing in you. Could be because of troubles, problems, families, things that stop you to become better or to become that person, or achieving that dream that you want. Could be also you stop because you are too much working longer hours, and you don't have time to rest and to settle your mind, to think about the things you want. And you're trying to pay your bills, your rent. You're struggling right now to provide your basic needs. Pay your bills, pay your rent, your food, paying the mortgage, paying the auto payments, long-term debts, short-term debts. Everything came together, and you are not longer have time just to overtime, long hours in the office or in your home, and you're trying to make it. And again, what is stopping you? What is stopping you to achieve your dreams? Take a moment to think that. Take now a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take a moment to think about those behaviors, those things that you need to correct in you because it's not helping you to become that person you want to be. It's not helping you to achieve your dreams. Those maybe addictions, those things that are in you, those behaviors that are separating you between you and your friends. Like your friends are no longer there. Maybe your best friend is no longer there. Maybe someone that you need in your life, and you feel that they help you a lot, and they are good, they do good to you in your life, they're friends, people that you want with you, why they are going away, what are those behaviors, what are those things that you've done that make them go away, or other things that you are doing that is not helping you, it's not serving you for your higher self. Take a moment to think about that, and how you're going to correct those things, what tools you're going to use to correct those problems, those addictions, or maybe you're eating too much, maybe you're not doing no exercise at all, you're not exercising, maybe you're eating in portions but not healthy, maybe you're eating junk food, maybe is that you are you are not controlling yourself because you feel nervous, you feel anxious, and you maybe is when you go in your car, start yelling to the people, and you get impatient because you're in a traffic jam and you want to get to your where you want to go, to your work or to your gym fast, and you want to do it now. Maybe it's about becoming more patient. How are you going to work with that? What tools, what mechanism you're going to use to help you to achieve your patient, become more patient, become more compassionate about people. Maybe it's breath work, maybe meditation, sound healing, maybe it's dancing. Whatever it is for you, any mechanism you use, it doesn't matter, as long as you can prepare and you can control your mind and you can become a better human being. Now let's go back to our higher self and think about, again, going to that future, that vision of the future that you want to be, that dream that you want to achieve right now, and you haven't, like, for some reason you're stuck and you don't feeling like you have to push too hard or you're not making it. I want you to go back to that feeling right now and think about not only the future and the dream, but now, this time, I want you to think about how it feels like. What emotions, now that future is in the present. So that present, how do you feel? What that future present feels like. I want you to feel now, to feel that moment in the future when you achieve that you are looking for. How you're going to feel, how it feels, what emotions you are going to feel. Maybe a lot of friends hugging you because you made it, because they love you, because you're doing a great job in your whatever you are delivering, in your skills and your passions and the things you do. They love you because you do beautiful job. They love you because you master you master your skills, and you show it to them, and you're helping them to achieve their dreams as well, because their dream looks like your dream very close. So each one help us, and you create a group class, maybe a webinar, maybe a course, maybe a live event, and hugging you, you're feeling incredible. That emotion, I want you to feel it right now. I want you to feel how it feels having these people surrounding you. But not only the people, the feeling of achievements, the feeling of being in that future present. Take a deep breath again. To 4. Hold it. Breathe out. So that future is right now. It's a present. You're making the present, and your past doesn't define you. The past, the worries, any problem you have, that you're going to continue having it now, but you're going to see it in a different way, and you're going to work, and you're going to tackle those problems in a different way, because you know where you're going, because you know that those problems and objects and obstacles always exist and always will exist. But now you're going to approach it in a different way. You're going to approach it from your higher self. And everything is going to flow massively. It's going to flow beautiful for you when you see it in a different way, when you start working toward what you're controlling yourself. Because that's the only thing you can control is yourself. Nothing outside you cannot control. And don't let things outside controls you, or dark energy or anything from outside. So I hope you find value in this morning future present meditation. That is going to happen, and you know it. And you know that. You just have to be patient, work with yourself, and continue looking for what your dreams are. Thank you very much. And I see you in the next one.